Hey everyone, if Opera GX is freezing, becoming unresponsive, or getting stuck while browsing, don't worry. In this guide, I'll show you simple fixes to stop freezing and make Opera GX run smoothly again. First, close any heavy tabs or unused apps. Too much load on your system can easily cause freezing. Next, restart Opera GX. Yeah, this clears temporary memory issues that often cause freezing. Make sure Opera GX is fully closed in the background. Hidden processes can keep freezing the browser. Some extensions can overload the browser, so disabling them can quickly identify if they're causing the freeze. Corrupted cache files can slow or freeze Opera GX. Clearing browsing data may fix the issue. Hardware acceleration can sometimes cause freezing issues. Yeah, turning it off may improve stability. Make sure Opera GX is fully updated. Updates often include performance and stability fixes. If your system is overloaded, Opera GX may freeze. So close heavy applications to free up memory. Some GX mods or heavy themes can slow down performance. Try disabling them temporarily. Malware or unwanted programs can also cause freezing. Yeah, running a quick scan can help detect issues. If nothing works, reset Opera GX settings to default. This removes hidden issues causing instability. If the freezing continues, reinstall Opera GX. A fresh installation can fix corrupted browser files. If the problem still continues, contact Opera GX support. They can help diagnose deeper system or browser issues. And that's it. One of these methods should help fix Opera GX freezing issues and get your browser running smoothly again. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.